every single day. And honestly, most of us just expect our washing machine to clean clothes and get the job done. But what if it could do more? Imagine a washer that senses fabric type, adjusts the wash automatically, kills germs with steam, and even connects to Wi-Fi, so you can control it from your phone. That's exactly what this LG 2025 front load washing machine promises. And today I'll share whether it truly delivers on those promises or if it just looks good on paper. Let's start with the design. The LG washing machine looks premium. The black tinted tempered glass door really gives it a modern high-end touch. Despite being 9 kg washing machine, it feels compact compared to some IFB or Samsung models. It is also available in different capacities from 7 kg to 13 kg. On the top left, you have got the detergent drawer with slots for powder, liquid and softener. I found liquid detergent gives the best consistency. In the center, there is a rotary knob with LED indicators for program, paired with a responsive touch panel. Even in bright daylight, the controls are easy to read and use. At the bottom right, you'll find the lint and waste filter chamber. Handy because it doesn't just collect lint, it can also catch small things like coins or shed buttons. The overall build is solid. Metal on all sides, stainless steel drum inside, and at around 59 kilos, it's lighter than some competing 9 kg washers. Inside, the machine runs on inverter direct drive. That means the motor is directly attached to the drum. Fewer moving parts, less vibration and quieter operation. Then there is 6 motion direct drive, which moves clothes in 6 different patterns to mimic hand washing. It's not just marketing. It really helps balance fabric care with effective cleaning. On top of that, you get AI direct drive. The washer senses fabric weight and type, then adjusts the wash motion automatically. LG claims up to 18% better fabric protection. From my usage, delicate clothes did feel softer and less stress compared to regular cycles. There is also a built-in heater with temperature setting up to 95 degrees. A big plus for hygiene washes, kids' clothes or heavily soiled laundry. Spin speed goes up to 1200 RPM, so clothes come out close to 90% dry, which saves a lot of drying time. And if you like smart features, it supports Wi-Fi through LG's ThinkQ app. You can control cycles remotely, download extra wash programs, and even run smart diagnosis if there is an error. Out of the box, you get 14 wash programs, and via the app, you can expand it to 20 programs. In daily use, the drum feels spacious. Though when I compared it with IFB, LG's stuff felt slightly smaller. Still, I could wash large loads like jeans, bed sheets, and towels comfortably. Wash quality is excellent. Regular cottons and synthetics come out clean, and mixed clothes are handled well too. On stain removal, I tested mud, ketchup, chocolate and pickle stains. All were removed in a single cycle. Oil stains, as with most machines, were tougher and needed pre-treatment. Noise and vibration are well controlled. During washing, it's quiet, and even at maximum spin, the vibration is minimal compared to bell-driven washers. Warranty coverage is solid. You get 2 years comprehensive on the product and 10 years on the motor. LG also has one of the largest service network in India, so parts and service support are reliable. So should you buy the LG front load? If you are looking for a quiet, premium and reliable washer with AI-powered fabric care, steam hygiene and smart app connectivity with excellent washing, this is one of the best rounded options in 2025. It combines style, solid wash performance and LG's trusted service, making it a safe long-term investment. I always say this channel is built on real experiences, not paid promotions. I spent my own money to buy and test these products. So if this video added value for you, please give it a like and consider subscribing. If you are planning to buy this LG washing machine, the affiliate links are in the description. Using them won't cost you anything extra, but it directly helps me keep bringing you more genuine, unbiased reviews. Thank you so much for your trust and support. I am Pooja and I'll see you in the next one.